going.
Alright, go.
Last word, sorry. Last word.
Be
Go, let him go, stop. Let him go, RJ.
Go.
Stay still.
RJ, watch out.
Don't mess with him, bro. He's gonna fall anyways. It'd be funny.
Watch that.
No, now he's coming down this one. Yeah.
Yes.
RJ, now come down this hill. Yeah, this,
Whoa.
What the fuck? Did you get that on
No. Nick.
video? What the hell did he do?
What happened? He started rolling toward the golf cart. And he had two options. Option was A, brace himself with his hands, or B, brace himself with his face. He chose option B.
Nick, or Herman, if RJ can do it, dude.
Put down this one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
do it.
RJ
Do this one.
Nick, is it still recording?
I need to record all the time, because I don't know what can happen. I missed that.
Record that part?
Yeah. No, I missed that part. You had just do something stupid next time, too.
All right.
Okay,
who's
pause.